All right, good afternoon, students. Let's discuss surface area of cube and cuboid. Let's first understand three terms, what we mean by surface area. Number two, cube. Number three, cuboid. Well, let's say this is straight line. Its dimension is 1D. We can say its dimension is just length, L. If I draw one more line, the area enclosed by these two lines, this is this has generated a surface. Every surface has area. And what is the area of the surface? This length into other length. We might call the other length as B. So the area of the surface is length into breadth. Well, this is a case of plane surface. All right. We can have a curved surface also. We can have a cylindrical surface also. We can have a spherical surface also, or we can have an irregular surface also, which is mixture of everything. So we're not going to go in details of how to find area for curved, cylindrical, spherical, and irregular surfaces. Right now, we will discuss how to find surface area of cube and cuboid. Well, the concept of surface is clear to you. All right, guys. Now I'm going to discuss what is a cube. Right. Now, let's say I draw a square, a figure where all the sides are equal. Let's say every side is A. This is also A. So what will be its area? It will be A into A. Area would be A square. All right. Now, let's say I have six surfaces like this, and I join every surface at 90 degree with the other surface. The resulting figure is a cube. Means this is A, and its breadth. Maybe this is length, this is height, this is breadth, this is cube. All the sides are equal. Now, what will be surface area of the cube? Very simple. It has six surfaces. Cube has six surfaces. Area of one surface is A square. Hence, total surface area, TSA, total surface area of a cube is 6 times the surface area of one side is equal to 6A square. All right. Now, what is a cuboid? Now, this is a cube. Every surface has an area of A square, A square, A square, bottom, left. There's six surfaces, right? These are the three surfaces and three more surfaces just opposite to them. Like this is above, then down, right, then left, front, and back. If you change any of the side of the cube, maybe length, maybe breadth, or height, even slightly, the cube transforms into cuboid. All right. And then how we will find the surface area of cuboid? Let's have a very good illustration. All right, guys. Please join me here. Just 1 second. You here. I'm gonna go and show you GeoGebra. So you see this. I'll magnify this. Hope everyone is able to see. So if you see, guys, this is a cube, right? Different colors. You can even enjoy this. 5, 5, 5. Length is 5. Width is 5. Height is 5. Someone might say the breadth is 5. All right. So the surface area of cube, that will be 6 into 5 square. All right. You see what he has done. There are six faces, and he has opened the cube, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Six faces are there. Now, surface area of all the faces altogether, already we have discussed, is 6a square. Now, how this cube transforms into cuboid? I'm going to change any of the side, maybe length, maybe width, maybe height. Let's say I change length from 5 units to 4 unit. So you see that this was initially 5, now it has become 4. So interestingly, guys, you see now it's a cuboid. You can even do by changing length or even by changing its breadth. You see, this is the breadth, or the width was 5, and now it has become 4 or maybe 3. Let's see, let's make it 3. It has become very small. Now all the sides are not same. Now also the surface area of each side is also different. And what's the basic formula to calculate surface area of each side? We know length into breadth. Now guys, let's concentrate here. I've changed one side. You can change two sides also. You can change all the three sides at one go. It will all result in cuboid. But if you change all the three sides, by the same amount, it will again remain a cube. For example, you make this 5 and then you made this 4. Sorry, you made this 4. You made width also 4. And let's say you does high also 4. So it again remains a cube, 4, 4, 4. So you have to change heights or any length differently. So let's say length is 5, width is 4, and height is also 4. Okay. So let's say I've changed two sides. It has become a cube. Now, guys, something very important. This side is a square. The right side, the front side of this cube, na? 4 into 4. And how many faces will be there? Front and back. That's what it's showing. Front and back, two faces. Now this side, on this side, this is 5 into 4. And how many sides will be there? There's, and on the back, 5 into 4. That's what he's showing, 5 into 4, 5 into 4. On the top, we have this side is 4 and this side is 5. 5 into 4, again two sides. Green, 5 into 4, 5 into 4. All right. Now, how can you calculate the uh, area of the cuboid? So you see, guys, and cube, it was very simple. Area of one side is a square. Area of six sides is 6a square. But here, you see, out of six given faces, there are three faces, and three faces have different area. We do have same area, and these three faces also have three more faces, one equal to everyone, like blue equal to blue, green equal to green, and this color equal to maybe playing this. That means total surface area will be, if we calculate surface area of this, double of this. If we calculate surface area of this, double of this. Similarly, surface area of this, double of this. So what do we get? If you consider this as length, and this is breadth, and this is height, then you get length into height into 2, then breadth into height into 2, and then breadth into length into 2, right? So just give me 1 minute, and then I'm going to explain to you again. Just give me, I'll share on the new share. I'll go to whiteboard, share. Now, open a new page. Now guys, we have what? We have a cuboid. One, maybe like this. Let's say, this is 4. Let's say this is 5, and let's say this is 3. Right. So if this is 3, so now this is a cuboid. So now, what will be the total surface area of cuboid? So you see, one surface will be here. This is length into, let's say this is height and this is breadth, right? Length into height, and there'll be two surfaces like this, length into height plus breadth into height, breadth into height into 2 because they're two surfaces plus top one. This is length into breadth. Length into breadth into 2. Now guys, if you see, you can take 2 common. We want to have a formula. So it becomes length. Let's say I make it first here. Length into breadth. Right? Then to gone outside, breadth into height, and then height into length. This is the formula of the cuboid. How do you remember it? Just write length, breadth, height. Total surface area is equal to 2 multiply L by B. LB multiply B by H. And then multiply H by L. H, L. This is the total surface area of a cuboid. To see more interesting videos like this, clearing your base, or rather solidifying your base, learn and subscribe our channel, Learn CBSE. Thank you guys.